Hello, dear students of class 8. Today I will discuss with you cube and cube root. So, in which, firstly, I will tell you about definition of cubes. So, when we multiply a number 3 times by itself, we say that the number has been cubed, and the product is called the cube of that number, or the number raised to the power of 3. Example, a into a into a. Its meaning a raised to power 3. And another example, a cube of 1, that is 1. Cube of 2, it is equal to 8. Cube of 3, it is equal to 27. Cube of 4, it is equal to 64. And 5 raised to power 3, 125. 6 raised to power 3, 216. 7 raised to power 3, 343. 8 raised to power 3, 512. 9 raised to power 3, 729. 10 raised to power 3, it is equal to 1000. And now I am going to discuss with you properties of cube of numbers. So in which first property is cube of all odd numbers are odd. Cube of all odd numbers are odd. So how it is possible? So let's see. Cube of 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 1 is odd. And next, cube of 3, it is equal to 27. It is also odd. And cube of 5, it is equal to 125. Then it is also odd. Similarly, the odd of all cube numbers, cube of all odd numbers are odd. And next is cube of all even numbers are even. Option B, cubes of all even number are even. So how it is possible? Let's see. Cube of all even numbers are even. 2 cube is equal to 8, that is even. 8 is even. 4 cube, it is equal to 64. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64, so it is also even. Similarly, 6 cube, 6 into 6 into 6, 216, it is even, and so on. And next one is cubes of all negative integer are negative. How? Let's see. So negative of cube, cube of negative 3. So its meaning is minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. So you know very well, 3 cube 27. So now the term of negative sign. So here 3 negative sign is given. So minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay. Similarly, you can do another example. Now next is cubes of a rational number is the cube of its numerator and denominator. So how? Let's see. Suppose cube of rational number is given, so it is equal to cube of numerator and cube of the denominators. Okay. So next one is cube root. Cube root. Now I will discuss with you cube root. Cube root, it is the opposite of cube. Okay. So it is opposite of cube. For example, uh, a into a into a into a, it is equal to a cube. So we need to find out the cube root. So cube root of a cube is a. It is denoted by, so it's denoted by like this. Okay. So cube root of just like a 27. 27 is 3. So you know very well it is the opposite of cube. So we already discussed with you. So 1 cube is equal to 1. So what is the cube root of 1? So 1. Okay. And 2 cube is equal to 8. So what is the cube root of 8? 2. And 3 cube is equal to 27. So what is the cube root of 27 is 3. And 4 cube is equal to 64. So what is the cube root of 64 is 4. And 5 cube is equal to 125. So what is the cube root of 125 is 5. Same, 6 cube is equal to 216. So what is the cube root of 216 is 6. 7 cube is equal to 343. So the cube root of 343 is 7. So cube of 8, 512. So cube root of 512 is 8. Cube of 9, so that means 729. So what is the cube root of 729 is 9. So next one is cube of 10 is 1000. So the cube root of 1000 is 10. Okay. So it is a cube root, that is the opposite of cube. So now I will tell you how to find out cube root by successive subtraction. So cube root by successive subtraction. So firstly I will tell you about the rule, how what type of number we will subtract from the given numbers. Okay, it is the similar of how to find out the square root by successive subtraction. In to find out the square root by successive subtractions, there is we subtract odd numbers, but in which we have to subtract the numbers, the difference between the difference between the cube of two consecutive numbers. Then we will get the resulting numbers. So that number will be subtract from the given numbers. Okay. So firstly we will learn about the rule, what type of number we will subtract. Okay. So you know 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8. So now we will make the difference between both of them. So 2 cube minus 1 cube, that means 8 minus 1. So the result is 7. Okay. So next one is, and you know very well 3 cube is equal to 27. So we will subtract 3 cube minus 2 cube. So the result is 27 minus 7 is equal to 27 minus 8. So the result is 19. So by this method you have to subtract. Okay. So I am telling you in sequence way. So firstly 1 cube, you know very well 1, 2 cube is equal to 8. So we will make the difference. Okay. So 2 cube minus 1 cube, so we will get the result as a 7. First is 1, next is 7, then 3 cube minus 2 cube, 3 cube 27, 2 cube 8, so the result is 19. So we have to count the steps. Okay, so first step 1, second 9, 7. We have to subtract firstly 1, second 7, third 19, fourth, so 64 minus 27. So the result is next one is very well 37. Next is 5 cube minus 4 cube. Its meaning is 125 minus 64. So the result is 5 minus 4 1, then 61. So 6 cube minus 5 cube. Its meaning is 216 minus 125. So it is equal to you can check 6 minus 5 1 or 91. Similarly, you can do by yourself. So 7 cube, very well 343 minus 6 cube 216. So 30 minus 6 7. So 33 minus 21. So the result is 22. 30 minus 6 7. So 3 minus 1 2 and 1 127. 13 minus 6 7. Then 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 2 1 127. So by this method you can find out the cube root. Okay, so now I'm going to take examples. Suppose we need to find out the cube root of small numbers 27. So I will take 27. Okay, so in 27, firstly I will subtract 1, so I will get the number is 26. Okay, now first step is covered. Now 26 minus 7, so now we will get the result is 19. In next 19 minus 19, now we will get 0. Okay, so you have to subtract the number till you will get as a 0. Okay, so now it covers 3 steps. So what is the cube root of 27? It is equal to 3. Okay, firstly you have to learn about this rule. Okay, make the difference between two consecutive numbers. After that, resulting number you have to subtract from the cube root of the given numbers. So next one is just like a 64. 64 minus 1, that means 63. 63 minus 7, so the result is very well 6, and 5 56. 56 minus 19, so the result is 47. Next one is 37. Next one is 37 minus 37 is equal to 0. So now it covers 4 steps. So the cube root of 64, it is equal to 4. So it is first method. Next is cube root by prime factorization. Prime factorization. So very well, you learned in your earlier classes so how to find out the prime factors of any number. Suppose one number is given 343. So if you find out the prime factors of these numbers, so it will start from 3. If you start from 3, so no number, because it is not divisible by 3, because sum of you have to add all digits. So 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So it will not divisible by 3. So now we will try by 7. So 7, 7 4 ja 28. So the remainder is 6. 63 become as a number. So 7 9 ja 63. So 7 7 ja 49. So 343, its factor is 7 into 7 into 7. So it is the cube of 7, 343, the cube of 7. So what is the cube root of 343 by prime factorization? So its meaning is cube root of 43, that means 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 of 343. You know very well 343, it is equal to 7 cube. So 7 cube will be multiplied by 1 by 3. So its power will be multiplied. So 3 by 3 it will be eliminated. So the answer is 7. So what is the cube root of 343 is 7. So by this method you can find out the cube root of any numbers. So next one is how to find out cube root by ones and tens digit method. So in which firstly you have to learn about the cube of the numbers. So it is already discussed. 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube is equal to 64, 5 cube is equal to 125, 6 cube is equal to 216, and 7 cube is equal to 343, 8 cube is equal to you know very well 7 cube, okay, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube is equal to 1000. Done. So in these methods you will get a perfect cube numbers. Okay, you have to find out the cube root of that number. So in which we will check the unit place of the perfect cube of the numbers. So these are perfect cube. Okay, so in which you can check here ones digit. So it's after cube root you will get ones digit as a 1. After cube root of 8 you will get as a unit place 2. After cube root of 27 you will get unit place as a 3. So after cube root of 64 you will get as a unit place 4. So similarly you can check after cube root of 125 you will get as a unit place as a 5. After cube root of 216, so unit place will be 6. Okay, so after cube root of 343, so its unit place cube root of 7. So I'm telling you, if there is any numbers, okay, so if there is a unit place is 1 8 7 4 5 6 3 2 9, so you have to write unit place according to the cube root of that numbers. Okay, so suppose one number is I will tell you about one sentence digit method. Suppose one number 13824. So here ones digit is 4. Ones digit is 4. Here ones digit is 4. So its unit place should be 4. So its unit place should be 4. So after cube root of the number we will get unit place as a 4. Okay, so now we will strike out 3 digits from the right side. Okay, right, from the right, strike out 3 digits from the right. Okay, then remaining number is 13. Remaining number is 13. So now we will check 13. It is lie between what type of the number, cube of the number. So it is lie between cube of 2 and cube of 3. So now we will get the nearest and smallest numbers as a 10th place. So here, so 10th digit is equal to 2. So 10th digit is 2 and 1 digit is 4. So what is the cube root of that number? So the cube root of this number 13,824, it is equal to 24. Okay. Next one is, I will tell you about another part. Suppose 343. 343. Here unit place is 3. So after cube root, resulting number having unit place, so resulting number should be, so resulting number having unit place as 7. You know cube of 7, 343. So here unit place is 3. So that's why its cube root is 7. So now if you strike out 3 digits, so you have to stop it here because no number is there. So you have to stop it here. So cube root of 343 is equal to 7. Okay. I will discuss with you one more example. Just like one. Okay, 729. So here unit place is 729. Here unit place is 9. So after so cube root of 729. So unit place should be 9 after cube root of 729. Now we strike out 3 digits, so no number will remain. So we will stop it here. So cube root of 729 is equal to 9. So dear students, it was the discussions of cube and cube roots. Now your chapter has completed. Okay, thank you.